Alright, here we are. Throw that gasoline on it. He's gonna ignite it. Oh! Motherfucker! Oh shit! That whole fucking thing. Oh, that hurts. I'm gonna zoom in on that thing. Look at that. That thing is gone. Holy shit.
That was quite an explosion.
That was awesome.
Oh my god.
Alright, let's step back. Looks like you guys didn't have to run too far.
Ready, Nick?
Yeah. An ash is gonna fall on that thing and just blow up.
I know it is too.
It's so bright because the flame and the light on it.
Oh yeah. That thing was, did you hear it?
Oh my god. I heard it. I don't know if the camera picked it up though.
It's really not burning the lighthouse.
No, not bad. And it's starting to, but that's paintable.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that nest.
That thing is gone.
I know, you can walk right up to it, I bet. I see one little hornet flying in a headlight.
I can't see nothing.
Like you said, though, if that model takes...
How much is left in that cup when you threw it?
Oh, there's like half a Gatorade.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it was 3/4 of a Gatorade bottle cap.
Holy shit.
You got to go get some water.
It's pretty much all burnt out. Ain't nothing left of that.
It's not burning down there. It's probably great.
Oh,
You recording that?
I'm recording that again.
Just toss.
Yeah, it's upside down. There was some in it. There it is.
The ball's gonna fly this way. Oh man.
I wish
I pressed the record button, but it was like 10 seconds late.
We're all like...
I was recording walking around, but oh my god. That was awesome. Put some more gas on it just for the hell of it so we can record.
No, that ash just dropped. Again,
It's a little bubble.
larva moving around.
That is gross.
Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get anything moving.